Shiba Inu Coin, essentially it never stops growing. And of course we're not talking about the price action because we know the price action has been extremely disappointing over the last couple of years, months, weeks, days, hours. I mean, at this point in the game, Shiba Inu Coin is just sitting still, not moving, and everybody's wondering what is going to happen. We need to see a bounce off this 700 point per coin level. We need to see some life flowing into Shiba Inu Coin, some excitement flowing into Shiba Inu Coin once again, and I do believe we'll see that. I just don't know if it's going to rely on any single project to make it happen. But I want to talk about some overall statistics for the Shiba Inu Coin community and some overall statistics for the Shiba Inu Coin network, because I came across an article today that shows a 198% increase or surge in network activity. Here's how the SHIB price reacts. And I want to break that down because it's very deceiving if you only read the headlines and you need to understand the actual numbers. We'll jump into that, and we might also talk about what Satoshi's saying about wellies. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, but please be aware if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, let's jump into this and go over it so you can understand the numbers. The headline is very deceiving after you look at the numbers here. So it says, Shiba Inu has finally shown some signs of recovery, especially after its recent surge in network activity. According to on-chain data, the number of daily active addresses for Shiba Inu Coin has seen an immense 198% increase in the last week. The most significant part of this growth occurred just yesterday, suggesting that this could be one of the first signs of an impending price recovery for SHIB. And I do agree with that. The more people you have buying in, the more people you have wanting, searching, looking for Shiba Inu Coin, the better the price action is going to be. But that might not be what we're seeing at this point. It says, as of the latest data, the price of Shiba Inu Coin is currently around 720 points per coin. While the asset has been struggling to maintain a strong position on the market, this recent uptick in network activity could be a game changer. The price of Shiba Inu Coin has been relatively stagnant over the past few weeks. It's been very stagnant over the last few weeks. But the recent surge in daily active addresses could be a precursor to a price rally. I hope so. While it's too early to make distinctive conclusions, the asset's price has shown some resilience in the face of a generally bearish market. Now, one of the key factors contributing to this surge could be Shiba Inu's increasing prominence in the DeFi space. As more users engage with Shiba Inu's ecosystem, the asset could potentially see a more liquidity and trading volume, which in turn could drive up the price. And then it just goes on to kind of throw out a disclaimer in there and say that you shouldn't use this information solely for trading purposes and so on. So there's 3 lines that you can basically see here for daily active addresses. New addresses, active addresses, and zero balance addresses. Now, I want to talk about these numbers because we're seeing a 21% decrease on a weekly basis in new addresses. So we're not actually seeing a 198% increase in new users. We're not seeing new people flock to the Shiba Inu Coin community, and therefore we're not seeing the SHIB army grow. Now, that kind of eliminates my first hope. If you're looking at the next number, it is active addresses. Now, this is very good, but we don't exactly know why they're active. A 71% increase in active addresses over the last week. Now, that's excellent, right? However, we have to understand that number. What means or what constitutes activity? Transactions, okay? If somebody's transacting in Shiba Inu Coin, that could be a buy, but it also could be a sell. So you've got a 71%, nearly a double of the active addresses out there, but we don't know what the activity constitutes. It could be good or it could be bad. Now, this is the number that is being quoted here, and it is a 198.45% increase in 7-day zero balance addresses. What does that mean? That means you go out to MetaMask. That means you go out to Trust Wallet or Coinbase Wallet or Crypto.com Wallet, whatever wallet you guys choose, and you simply create one. You create a wallet for Shiba Inu Coin, but you do not make any transactions. It is not an active address. It is essentially not a new address, but you've got a zero balance address out there. And what is the point of that? It's a very good question. I don't know what the point of creating a Shiba Inu Coin wallet is if you are not funding that wallet. It could be for future funds, absolutely. So this number could be a precursor, just like the article talks about, a 200% increase in wallet addresses that could eventually hold Shiba Inu Coin. And if that's the case, that is an extremely bullish number, guys. I love to see that, and we do have to focus on future growth, but that might be why we're not seeing any related price action to it. So just reading that article, just reading the headline, you would have begun to believe that this is an excellent thing. That why is Shiba Inu Coin's price not surging higher? And actually, reading the article as well, you would still be under that impression. You actually have to zoom in on the graph and see what these wallet addresses actually are before you begin to understand the data. So a 200% increase in zero balance addresses should do just that. Have zero effect on the overall price of Shiba Inu Coin. It is at best a futuristic indicator of what could come. People might be setting themselves up to buy some recent lows. People may be setting themselves up to buy during the next rally. It doesn't necessarily mean anything is currently happening. Now, I said that we would jump in and talk about Satoshi. We might save that for a later date, but Satoshi very excited about the progress that Wellies is making. I believe Wellies is opening up maybe one new location or kind of rebranding a little bit with their logo and stuff like that. And it does take time to open up a business and open up a restaurant, so they are doing very well at doing so. But it's very minimal when it comes to Shiba Inu Coin's exposure to the Wellies brand. So I want to know what you guys think about that 198% increase number. Are you excited about zero balance addresses increasing? Let us know, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.